chop 1-inch ginger. 6 cloves garlic. 2 green chillies. 4 baby onions or 1 medium-sized onion. Save for later. Add 12 to 16 baby potato or 4 big potatoes for boiling water. Salt to taste. And 50 grams green peas. Close the lid and let it boil. In the meanwhile, let's grate 200 grams of paneer. Once it's cooked, strain the excess water and smash the potatoes. Now let's prepare bird nest. For smashed potatoes, add boiled peas. Salt to taste. 1 spoon chili powder. 1 spoon pepper powder. 50 gram grated paneer. Chopped ginger, garlic, green chili, onions. Mix them well. For nest assembly, take a spoonful of mixture on greased hands. Roll it between palms, making it into balls. Press gently in the middle of the ball and make bowl shape. Dip it in all-purpose flour batter. After dipping, coat it well with rice vermicelli. Freeze the ready nest for 30 minutes before frying so that it won't break. Until it freezes, let's make our egg. For 150 grams grated paneer, add a spoon of salt and pepper and mix it well. It is suggested to knead a while and then make small eggs out of it, so that the eggs won't break while frying. Now let's fry the nest in medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes until it turns golden brown. Fry the eggs for a minute until it turns golden. Let's make the final assembly. Add some ketchup on the nest. Garnish it with some coriander. And at last, place the eggs. And our easiest Aloo Paneer Bird Nest recipe is ready to be served. Like, share, subscribe, and follow for new updates.